What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. You can see I'm stood in front of the E30 again today. It's time, hopefully. It's time to give it a go, see if it starts. Last time this ran, let's just say, I don't know, May 2020. It's been sat. Yes, it's been sat ever since. You can sort of see there's been a bit of coolant leaking around end of these pipes. A couple of them are split. That one there, look, nice and crispy. That's okay. A little bit of coolant in the radiator. We're not going to run it for long, so it'll probably never warm up. What we're going to do first is hopefully give the timing belt a little inspection. Right, okay, so guys, I fitted this timing belt myself probably about 7-8 years ago now. I think they're on a six-year interval. So I'm just going to whip a few of these bits off. I'm hoping I could just take off the distributor and the top cover, leave the thermostat in place, hopefully just wiggle the cover around it. Yeah, hoping I could just take that off, and I could just give the belt a visual inspection. I'll rotate it by hand as well, just for good luck, make sure that, you know, it's not going to snap, anything dumb like that. So stay tuned, guys. This thing's going to run today. Definitely going to run. Right then, guys, so step one, I'm going to just get, what's this, 22mm on the crank. Just turn it over by hand to make sure the engine moves. So it's down here, down to the crank. Oh, that's good news. So turn it over by hand. That's all going alright. We've got some compression in there as well. Yeah, so it's been sitting outside for about 3 years now, so it's good to know that it turns over. It's got a bit of compression. Tokome, yeah. Looks alright in there, good. Okay, so what's next? I think we're going to take off all these hoses. So all these ignition leads. Some of you may know I've disconnected some already. That has led to one of my first problems. I should have used a proper tool for it. So I just pulled it. And obviously I've yanked the end off of this one. Right, so I got a set of these pretty cheap. Euro car parts, like, I don't know, 30-40 quid or so. Obviously not going to fit them yet. There's all this got to come off. This kind of just pulls off. A few plastic clips holding them on. You see he's also a bit oily, but I think that's from when I've been filling them up. So same again on the distributor. Nice and rusty. Nice and gentle with these. It shouldn't be too tight. Oh no, it's a shocker. Had an absolute shocker already, guys. He snapped. For fuck's sake. Oh dear, right. Let's see what the other ones are like then. The same. One down there. That was crusty. Jesus Christ, guys. Longest fucking 8mm I've ever seen there, eh? That's a worry. For the snapped one, of course. Alright, final one. Can I get anything on him? No, that one's gone as well. For fuck's sake. Right, okay. Really not good with those two snaps, but hey, what can you do? Old rusty cars, eh? Right, this should now come off. It's obviously the best noise when your ignition comes off. Look, can't put it off completely yet. It's got this cable here, which goes down to the ECU. Tells it when a certain cylinder is sparking or something like that. Oh, that's. Oh dear. Alright guys, that's really not gone well. So I didn't realise this, but cracked the whole distributor cap trying to pull that off. Look at that, it's just fucking brittle as anything. No bother. Right, Fucking job's getting bigger every time I do anything. In there. Hopefully you can see. There you go, in camera. There we go. Right, so in here you got your rotor arm. This is what obviously spins around, attached to your camshaft. There you can see the other side of that cap. Fucking seized on. I don't know if that's happened. Anyway, yeah, so we're going to take this off. 3 screws. Yeah, right, here we go then. It's not snap anymore. Right, there we go. Right then, guys. I don't know when that has happened, but the sense wire has since fallen off. So that is there, not attached or anything anymore. Also not good. But okay, let us ignore that one as well for now. Oh, it's turned into a ball looking at right. Take the cover off. Be good to me, folks. Come on. You pop that. Oh yeah. So nicely, BMW have made it so that you can see there, this cover goes sort of behind that. But you are able to pull it off. So there you go, covers off. Right, so this reveals your timing belt. Here it is. That looks actually in remarkably good condition. It's probably only done about 25-30,000 miles on this belt, so that's fine. But it's the time, it's been on there for, like I said, 7-8 years. I think the interval says 6 years for these. Yeah, that belt looks absolutely fine. I don't see any cracking around it or anything. So all this can go back in and on. However, there is obviously the elephant in the room. Sorry for the shaky camera. Our cover. So you can see there, look. Distributor just didn't want to come off that corner. See solid. Luckily, those bolts only go into this, so I should be able to get those out somehow, and then re-tap them, put a new bolt through. That's the next job on the never-ending job car. Like I foreshadowed, it's not starting today. A few more teething problems. Yeah, let's just say that. So yeah, there we go. Right, well, this video turned out to be a lot shorter than I was expecting, just because I wanted to check the cam back, didn't I? Thanks for watching, guys. I will catch you next time. Like, subscribe and all that if you enjoyed it. And soon my E30 is going to start, I promise.